So my name is Nick Gant. I'm a principal lecturer in the School of Architecture and Design, and I'm also the co-founder of a design practice called Community 21, which is a social and sustainable design agency that functions within the university and helps to kind of mediate between the intelligence of the academy and communities in the world. The theme of this year's Waste Zone show is Circular Cities. So I've made an exhibit that really materialises that idea. It presents a range of materials that would be considered waste and are abundant in the city of Brighton, and presents new ways in which they could form part of the social and cultural as well as the sort of material fabric of the city. I'm a designer and I've been working in issues related to circular economy for about 20 years, looking at the different ways that we can manufacture objects and utilise materials for efficiency, greater performance, but to allow us to recycle and reuse materials successfully. But I'm also interested in the kind of aesthetic and the cultural values that come from that. So I'm quite interested in how materials of the city can represent the identity of the city. So there's a sort of meaning-making element as well as there is a sort of physical, technical aspect to that. I think the Waste Zone has really helped to establish in my mind how there's lots of kind of connectivity between the ways that industry, academia, some of the theories and the practices are really starting to come together now. I think historically we've always been seen as a little bit wacky and a bit on the fringes by trying to tackle some of these issues. And I've found that being here over the last 3 days, industry's really starting to understand these social and these marketable material stories and narratives that their brands and their buildings can really help to kind of support. In the school we've been working on circular ideas for a long time. We have lots of colleagues that work in this area, and I think at the school we've always really championed this notion of sustainability through the material circular economy and really trying to develop, as I mentioned before, these kind of social and cultural aspects as well as what it can mean to industry and to the wider environment.